Hello, everyone. Here, Father Tom, your pastor at St. Cecilius. The weather for tomorrow, Sunday, looks great, and I am very glad and I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to seeing you all and celebrating the Holy Mass with you. But I would like to share with you some more information and few things for your knowledge. As we come for this drive through Holy Mass, with the social distancing that needs to take place in the parking lots, cars will be parked in alternative parking spaces. That said, it may fill up. The parking lot may fill up pretty soon. So to control the traffic, we are going to close up all the entrances except one entrance that is close to the church on Burnham Street, and all the other entrances will be closed, and someone will guide you from the entrance to go and to park wherever you should park. And as I again said, please be patient. There could be cars backed up because it may take time to guide you to park in this regular assigned parking places. All right. So please be patient. And again, one important thing: in case if the parking lot get filled up, we may have to turn you away. Please be gracious to accept that. It is a trial. We are trying to do the best we can. So I just wanted to let you know that. Again, I encourage if you all in one family can come in one car instead of coming in many cars. So as many as people from one family, please come in one car, and so that we can use the more parking spaces. All right. So another thing is, the Mass time may take a little more longer because I'm the only one who will be able to give communion, and I will come to each cars to give communion, and one person will go ahead of me to let you out of the car and what time you will get out of the car, to let you know that. So one person will be ahead of me to let you know that. So it may take a little more longer time to finish up with this giving communion. So be patient again and pray as you are in the car, inside the car. So and participate actively in the Mass if you are going to come. Another very, very important thing is that all our Masses will be live broadcasted. If you have any kind of concern, you should stay home, right? All the Masses will be live broadcasted. If your children or your parents say you should not go, take their advice seriously and stay home, because if you're a vulnerable person, you should heed to the advice of your people who love you. Again, very important, I repeat to you, all the Masses, this 4 o'clock, tomorrow 8 o'clock, 11 o'clock, all these Masses will be live broadcasted. So you will be able to participate in the Mass. And again, I wanted to ask all of you to please pray. Please pray that everything will go smooth. As I know, at this point, we are the only parish in this neighborhood doing this. I am scared a little bit if I get an overflow of people. In any case, everyone should be a little patient and concerned and charitable towards me and other people who are trying to run this and do this Holy Mass. Again, I ask your cooperation. Please make sure when you come, have your mask always and remain in your car all the time, and until you're asked to get out of the car for Holy Communion. All the other times, please remain in the car. And when you come into the parking lot, we'll give you a directive to follow, and on the other side the order of the Mass will be there for you to participate in the Holy Mass too. So again I say, if you have any concern, please remain at home. The Masses will be live broadcasted. But this is an exciting thing. After about 2-3 months, we are getting a chance to celebrate Holy Mass, and I am excited that I can celebrate Mass with the people. I have been virtually there with you all these times, but it is an exciting thing to see, to have an opportunity to have Mass celebrated with you all. So again, continue to pray that things will go good and smooth tomorrow. So again, the schedule of the Mass tomorrow, 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. You can spread the word and get more people, as many as people they want to come. But again, I remind you, any concern, please stay at home. We will be live broadcasting it. Stay well, all of you. Continue to pray. God bless you. Let us come together to defeat this pandemic that we are in. God bless you all.